Hello beautiful women, I'm Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something very important and something very close to my heart. Finding your personal style. We're going to talk about 5 habits that you need to inculcate in your life which are going to help you build your personal style and sustain it. Now let's answer the first thing first. What is a personal style and what is it about? The word personal style comes from the fact that it's really personal. It's about you. How do you want to dress up? What do you want to portray? Your unique style, your unique identity. So start with the you. I want you to start thinking of words that can possibly describe you or other people describe you as. For example, you're somebody who's casual, easygoing, stylish, or classy, or how do you want to look and feel like? Put down the words and I want you to zero down at least 3 to 4 words and start building your inspiration around it. This is how you are going to start finding your personal style and start describing it. But before I go ahead and start giving you these 5 habits that you need to build, I would also like to talk about a big misconception. I hear this all the time, that style is only for thin girls, style is only for petite girls. No, it's not. Style is for everyone, and of course, like I always say, yours is within you. I was always a big girl while growing up, and I kept thinking that I will look better, I will find my style when I lose weight. And I did. But did it help me? No. I still felt miserable, I still felt lost, and I did not know what was working for me. I gained weight, I lost weight, but I understood one thing, that if I know my style, I know what I want to dress up like, then there is no stopping. So stop thinking that style is only for one particular kind of women. Style is literally for everyone, and do not wait to lose that weight or become a certain size wherein you feel that you'll be able to look good. You can look good at any weight, any height. All you need to do is find out what you need to do and start building these 5 habits. So let's talk about habit number 1. The most important habit when you're starting anything in your life, could be weight loss, could be finding your style. It has to be knowing what you want. All your journeys are incomplete when you don't know what exactly do you want. So when we talk about style, the first thing to know is, what do you want? So how do you find it? I'm going to make it very easy for you. So now that you know your style agenda, you have put down the words, you exactly know what are the words that are going to describe you, or call them your style goals. I want you to find your inspiration. And let me tell you, it's the easiest way to find your inspiration is through a Pinterest board or an Instagram. Start putting out pictures that are going to reflect you, and then put a board together. Habit number 2, make your wardrobe your safe place. When we talk about dressing up, it is so much related to your wardrobe. If your wardrobe is not your safe place and it gives you anxiety, let me tell you, you're never going to be able to dress up the way you want. I want you to take a tour of your wardrobe and do it thoroughly. Now when we talk about decluttering the wardrobe and talk about leaving the clothes alone, absolutely it's a great idea. But what I want you to do is follow this simple process of 3 L's. Love, like, leave. Start with the clothes, the category that you love the most, and style them in different ways. Take pictures and save it in your phone. Moving on to the category of like. Now these are the clothes that you like but you're not sure about them, that do you want to leave them or do you really want to keep them in your wardrobe? You can hold on to that and come back to them later. And now we talk about the leave category. The clothes that you haven't worn in 6 months, the clothes that do not fit your style, the clothes that do not fit your current size. Now I might understand that there are some clothes that you do not want to throw or you want to wear when you lose weight. Now let me tell you one simple solution to it. Store them. Put them in a box or put them in maybe a suitcase and write there, I will wear you when I lose weight. Number 3, spend some time with your wardrobe. When I say that spend some time with your wardrobe, what I actually mean is take out the clothes, create looks, take out some time and start dressing up even if you have nowhere to go. Especially if you are working from home, if you're working remotely, or more so if you are a stay-at-home mom. think of it this way, we could be easily in a rut of pajamas and t-shirts. Now I want you to take that initiative and start dressing up each day. When you start creating looks from your wardrobe, it is going to make your job so much easier. Not only I look at it as like a form of self-care, but I also look at it as a way of feeling good about yourself. And let's just put it this way, the more you spend time with your wardrobe, the easier it will become to find your style. You will start realizing the kind of cuts you like, you will start realizing the colors that you are attracted to, or you will also start realizing the kind of looks that you want to put out for yourself. So hear me and go ahead and give yourself some of time whenever you can and spend that time with yourself and your wardrobe. Focusing on your footwear. Now this is something that I have realized with so many women. We often tend to overlook the importance of footwear when we talk about personal styling. However, remember, your footwear can actually make or break your look. So make sure while you are dressing up, your footwear is also taken into consideration. Or while you're finding your personal style, you also give equal importance to the footwear. Now remember, no outfit is complete till you put around your footwear, which could be any kind while you're stepping out. But if it's not in sync with your style, if it's not in sync with your outfit, it can absolutely pull it down in a jiffy. Habit number 5, and that you can start doing instantly, giving accessories enough importance. Now I see a lot of women not using accessories to their favor, whereas it is one of the easiest way to elevate your personal style. Now find out what is it that you like in accessories. Are you somebody who loves accessories and would want to add it with everything? Or are you somebody who's minimal like me, who wants to keep it easy? But when I say this, I mean it. Your accessories can instantly change your look. I would suggest have some basics in your wardrobe when it comes to accessories. Pearls, emeralds, basic small gold hoops that can go with everything and also elevate your look. As simple as an eye watch, some basic studs are also great way to add it in your wardrobe. Also, when I talk about studs, when I talk about necklaces, it may vary for different people. I want you to find out how is it that you would want to add accessory in your personal style and elevate your outfit. Now, if I want to add something else, I would definitely say be consistent. Like I always say, I always compare every journey to maybe like a weight loss or finding your style. They're very similar. If you're not consistent, if you're not following things regularly, if not every day, but at least as much as you can, you're going to fall flat. So make sure you're consistent with these habits. Start small and you will achieve bigger results. So these are some habits that you can start building, but I'm gonna come up with more habits that can help you achieve your personal style. In the meanwhile, you can tell me in the comment sections what are the habits that helped you build your personal style. This is Ishita Saluja, your styling partner, signing off. And if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for amazing videos. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.